When you finish cosmetology school, it can be pretty scary because you don't know what to expect. You may not have a job and you clearly just may not know what to do. Well, here in this video, I'm going to give you some helpful tips on things that you should be doing as soon as you finish cosmetology school. Hi you guys, I'm Akira and welcome back to my beauty lounge. Here I share helpful tips, tutorials, and advice for aspiring cosmetologists. So make sure you subscribe if you are not subscribed. This may be your first video of mine. Make sure you subscribe so that you can instantly become a part of my VIP crew. So the first thing that you must do as soon as you are able to do this is go ahead and schedule your state board exams. Don't wait to pass go, just get it done. I've seen this so many times where people will finish school, they don't schedule their exams, and here a year later they still haven't taken their exams. Or you have some people, they'll take their exams, they'll wait a really long time and don't do really well on them because you want to do it while it's fresh on your mind and to go ahead and get it out of the way so you can start doing the things that you want to do in the industry. So do not procrastinate while setting up your exams. Give it to at least a month or two so that you have time to study and you'll have time to prepare for it. And then you go ahead, take your test, ace it, and go on to the next thing that you need to do. The second tip that I have for you guys is to try to find a mentor, whether that is an online mentor, an online Facebook group, some sort of community, or a person that you know that's been working in the industry for years, or someone that you just look up to and admire, someone who can help you along the way to help you learn the ropes. Just, it's great to have someone in your corner rooting for you and someone that you can also learn from as well. I personally don't have a mentor, but I follow a lot of people here on YouTube, Instagram that I look up to. I get advice from through their videos. Also, there's this guy I found here on YouTube. His name is Raymond Torregano, and he has a monthly membership on another platform that he uses to do his online classes. He's a great person to have as a mentor, an online mentor, anyone that you feel like can help you along the way. You don't have to have a mentor to be successful, but it's a great tool to have, or to have someone to help you through this process and to get, some really important advice along the way. My third tip is to get an online presence. You probably should have been doing this while you was in beauty school. However, if you have not, make sure that you have an online presence on Instagram, whether it be YouTube, Facebook, whatever site that you want to use it to your advantage. Social media, this day and age, social media has skyrocketed to another level. When I say about 90% of my clients come from Instagram, they find me because I use hashtags, I take nice pictures. Even when I don't post consistently, people constantly message me or email me to get an appointment set up. So you definitely want to use social media for your advantage. And another tip that I have for you, this is a bonus tip. If you have Instagram already, but it's a personal Instagram, make sure you have a separate Instagram for your business. Set up a business account and a Facebook page as well. Whichever one you like, or do both, do all, whatever social media platform you want to use. Have a personal and a business if you want to have a personal. You don't have to. I don't even use my personal Instagram like that anymore. I hate to go looking for a service that I want done and I see on their business page like them with hanging out with their boyfriend, and I don't need to know about your personal life. I just want to know how you do nails, how you do hair, makeup. Keep all of the extra stuff to a minimum on your business page. Keep it strictly about what services you offer. I'm telling you, it looks so much more professional and people will take you a lot more serious if you keep it that way. My fourth tip for you is to take classes once you finish school. Even if you don't take classes right after school, take them continuously after you graduate. Like, I still take classes now that I've been out of school for a couple of years now, and we will never know everything, but it's important as a hairstylist to stay on trend, to learn new techniques. Whatever it is out there, it's great to still take those classes. And some states do require continuing education after you graduate when you apply for your license renewal, sometimes you have to show that you took continuing education. I think here in Georgia we have to do that, if I'm not mistaken. So taking classes like I want to take some eyebrow classes or whatever it is that you may be interested in, or even things that's not your strong point, take classes on that as well. Like I said, the guy I mentioned, Raymond Torregano, he has online monthly membership that is $15 a month, where he breaks down hair cutting, hair coloring, whatever it is that you want to learn. He has an online membership that you can learn. It's like Netflix. You can binge watch them. But there's so many other people that has classes online. You don't even have to travel to these places if you can't afford to do it. They make it so easy for us to continue to learn. Even here on YouTube, you have salon stylists that even do training on YouTube. They have videos out there for you to learn, so there's no excuse for you to not continue to learn after you finish school. My 5th tip is to try everything. And I say that because how will you know what you don't like and what you truly love if you truly do not try everything? Try hair cutting, try men's cuts, try hair coloring, try extensions, whatever it is. Try it just so you can see what you like and what you don't like. Because as a stylist myself, growing up, or even like when I'm talking to older stylists, they always tell you, you need to do everything. People always have this misconception that you need to do everything to be a successful stylist, when that's certainly not true. However, you do need to try everything to see what it is that you do like to do. So I am not a braider, so I don't offer that service. I don't like to braid other people's hair. That's just not my thing. I tried it and now I know that that's not what I like. So I definitely would recommend that you still try everything to get your skills up, and to also, like I said, figure out what you love to do and what you don't like to do. So my 6th tip for you guys is to just do it. Whatever it is that you want to do, go for it. Do that fashion show, do that hair show, do that photo shoot, whatever it is, just do it. Whatever it takes for you to stay motivated and determined, inspired, whatever it is, I say for you to go for it. This is your dream career. This is the moment that you waited for your whole life. So I say go for it. Start that YouTube channel. Start that blog site that you want to start to give people tips on hair care. Whatever it is, this industry the possibilities are unlimited, you guys. When I say that, it's so many things that you can do. You don't have to stay inside the box. You don't have to do what you see your peers doing or other stylists doing. I know it's easy to get caught up in the hype and, the trends that is going on, and you want to do what they're doing. But do what your heart desires. What God has for you is for you. Just stay focused and do what it is that your heart desires, and everything will work out. Alright, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed those few tips that I gave you. There's so many things that you could do straight out of cosmetology school, but I wanted to specifically talk about these 6 things because I feel like they will benefit you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this beauty school series. I think I have one more video or maybe 2 more videos in this series coming out. I hope you guys have been enjoying it. And if you have not checked out the rest of my videos in this series, then I will link it up above. If you have not subscribed already, make sure you subscribe, comment, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.